Hi guys, I'm here to talk about Shwetab Gangwar. His channel will be deleted in few days if we didn't support him. He's making content for a decade long now. A creator named Awkward Goat have misused the YouTube copyright claim policies and give him 3 copyright strikes in a matter of less than a year. Uh, she just give copyright strikes and YouTube agree them that this is a copyright content and you are able to give copyright strike. This is not good. Shwetab Gangwar did so much for his viewers. He makes such a great content on YouTube for so long. We have to support him. And he was right on those videos. YouTube have to recheck them. This is my thing to say. Thank you so much. And hashtag save Sotab Gangwar. Thank you so much.